Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial in which I want to show you how YouTube algorithm works, uh, specifically for shorts. So if you do want to make a successful shorts, you want to become a professional YouTuber, you want to make money from it, this video will help you understand how the algorithm works. It will not make you successful, but it will give you the knowledge necessary to be successful on YouTube. So let's get to it. So first, when you upload a short, you will get something that's called a seed audience. So these are initial views right after you upload a short. It is limited in numbers, so it's usually 100 to 200 views. And the algorithm is using this to evaluate your video. Uh, it's used to gather metrics, and if those metrics are good enough, then the algorithm will push the video to the more broad audience. So this is very important phase for your video, and it's really important that you get the parameters that the algorithm is looking just right so that the video will get pushed later on and you will get more views. So what are the right metrics or the right parameters? Um, so we have several that the algorithm places importance on. So swiped or watched during initial 3 seconds. So you can find that in the analytics. And that basically means for the first 3 seconds, how big of a percentage of people watched your video for at least 3 seconds, and how big of a percentage just swiped in onto the next video. Next is average view time. So this is usually in seconds, and it's used to measure how how long the viewers are viewing your video. So are they watching the entire video? Are they watching the first 10 seconds? Are they watching 75% of the video? Then we have likes, which aren't that important actually in shorts. They are useful as a secondary good signal for the algorithm, but they're not as important as the first two. And then we have comments, and those are very important after you get at least 1K views. So if you want to get more than 1,000 views, you need engagement and you need comments. So let's talk about the swipe watch and what it means to be successful. So if you get less than 50%, the video is dead. The hook failed and you won't get a lot of views. Uh, oh, and I also forgot to say that when your video gets to the seed phase of watch time, you will be able to take a look at these parameters and measure if it's going to get successful or not. So back to the explaining. So 50% or less, the video is dead in the water. The hook failed. It's not gonna get pushed. You might get 100 more views, but that's it. Um, if you get 60 to 70%, that's a good performance, and that will usually get you a few thousand views. If you wanna be excellent and you wanna have a viral video, you need 75. or more percent. That is top tier. The hook was incredibly effective, and you're gonna get a lot of views. Uh, but this is not the only thing that will get you a lot of views. So all of these parameters comes together, and all of these parameters needs to be good, not just one, but all of them. Um, so average view duration. So we already talked about this. This is how long the audience is watching your videos. So I created it based on the length of the video uploaded. So bite-sized, that's usually very short videos, 15 to 20 seconds. This is very hard to succeed because you need APV of 90 to 100% for massive reach. So basically, audience that is glued to your video from start to finish to be successful. Uh, the better one to use, the better length to use is usually 30 to 60 seconds. Um, this is it requires 75 to 85% retention, so it is a little bit easier to get a lot of views on this segment. And long form shorts, which is 1 to 3 minutes, those require uh, those require a much higher attention span, uh, but the algorithm is a little bit forgiving. But overall, if you wanna have the best chances of getting the most views on your shorts, go with the 30 to 60 seconds. That's the best and the easiest way. So here are the best metrics for success. So more than 75% swap slash watch ratio. Should be ratio, not ratio. So I apologize for this. More than 75% of average view duration. Um, so that's we already talked about this. That's how long the audience is watching your videos. Comments, as I said, are very important after 1K. So if you want to get more than 1K, you're gonna need engagement. So comments and likes. Likes are not priority, but it can help your video getting out there. So video timeline. Uh, this is how the video algorithm works. So first is the seed. That's usually 100 to 200 views. And that's the YouTube algorithm testing your video if it's good enough. Uh, if it is good enough, then you have a growth phase, which is usually 1K to 2K views based on EVD and swipe watch. And more than 2K, I set viral because that sort of is viral, and I didn't find any appropriate name for it. And over here, you need previous parameters such as AVD and swipe watch, but you also need comments to get more than 2K. So, what can you do to have a successful short video? So, you need a strong hook. That's absolutely needed. So, what does that mean? You need to hook the audience so that they are interested enough to watch most or all of your video. Um, the best length is 30 to 60 seconds. You can create a pinned comment for engagement. So basically, you can ask audience a question and let them create replies in the comment section. If you get comments, you should reply to them because that builds up engagement. And you should prompt users to comment and like in the video, not just subscribe, because subscribe is important, but for the algorithm and the video and how much views will it get, it's not as important. The most important is comments and liking. And observe and take feedback from unsuccessful videos. So basically, you have a video that might get only 400 views. So you want to take a look at it. You want to go to the analytics, find out at which part the audience stops watching your video, maybe cut it out in the next video you make, or you may want to have a stronger hook. So unsuccessful videos, don't take them as a failure, but take them as a educational tool that can help you succeed. And don't panic during minutes after upload. So don't comment when you upload. Don't panic when you upload the video and it doesn't get thousands of views after 5 minutes. It's absolutely normal, and that's how the algorithm works. So that's it. That's the end of the video. So last thing, you can engage with me. You can like this video, you can share it, you can comment, create engagement for me. You can subscribe and make the algorithm like my video and my channel. Uh, but seriously, if you have any questions, leave them out in the comments. I will try to answer all of them that I know the answer to. Um, Also, this whole thing can change because YouTube can redo the algorithm, make it work differently. So this is as of spring 2026, but this can change in the future. So keep that in mind.